Today we're going to talk about equivalent fractions. Two or more fractions that represent the same value are equivalent fractions. You can find equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Or, if the fraction is not simplified, you can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. So let's look at an example. Let's say we had 2/3 and we needed to find an equivalent fraction. Well, we can multiply the denominator and the numerator by any number. Let's just throw 4 out there. So as long as we do the same thing to the top and to the bottom, we will have an equivalent fraction. 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 4 is 12. Therefore, 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. Now, sometimes you may get a problem where they've already given you the new denominator. We can try an example like that now. So, for example, you could have 7/8 is equivalent to blank 16ths. Well, here we simply need to think, what can I multiply 8 by to get 16? 8 times 2 is 16. Therefore, I'm going to do the same thing at the top. 7 times 2 is 14. 7/8 is equivalent to 14/16. Now let's take a look at division. So like I stated earlier, if a fraction is not simplified, you can use division to find an equivalent fraction. So an unsimplified fraction will look something like this. We can go with, how about 16/18? Here I can use division. And I simply need to think, what can I what can I divide both of these numbers by to get an equivalent fraction? And here, they're both even numbers. I can divide them both by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And I have an equivalent fraction. 16/18 is equivalent to 8/9. Now, the reason why I showed you this with the division is because just like with the multiplication, you might get a fraction that already is giving you the next denominator. Okay? So, for example, if you had 4/8 is equal to blank over 2, well, here I can't multiply 8 by anything to get 2. So the only thing I can do is divide. Now, 8 divided by what is 2? That's what you need to figure out. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now I need to do the same thing to the top. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4/8 is equivalent to half. And that's basically equivalent fractions in a nutshell.